Greetings and welcome to Microsoft Excel 2013, the math behind the scenes, order of operations. In this video, we'll discuss the mathematics behind order of operations and why it is important to not only follow the order of operations in math, as well as understand that Excel follows the same rules. It's incredibly important when we're working with any math, including the math that we're going to work with Excel, is that we follow the rules that is laid out in mathematics itself. Some of those rules we follow are called the order of operation, meaning which operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division do we do before another set of operations. One way of memorizing this is PEMDAS, PEMDAS. Other people might say, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, or some other mnemonic. But here's what it stands for. P stands for parentheses. E is for exponents. M is for multiplication. D is for division. A is for addition. And S is for subtraction. Now you may wonder why I put multiplication and division on the same row and addition and subtraction on the same row. It's because these operations are equal to one another, and in that case, when we have both multiplication and division in the same problem, we do them from left to right. Left to right. Likewise, with addition and subtraction, if we have addition and subtraction in a particular problem, we will also do those from left to right. Let's try an example. 10 minus 2 plus 3 plus 7 minus 4. In this example, we have addition as well as subtraction. So with addition and subtraction, they're both at the same level, so we're just going to go from left to right. So the first one is 10 minus 2 is going to be 8 plus 3 plus 7 plus 4. Sorry about that, that is minus 4. Now we have 8 plus 3, which is 11 plus 7 minus 4. 11 plus 7 is 18 minus 4. And lastly, 18 minus 4 is 14. Now if I would have done this in any other order, I'm not guaranteed to get the correct solution. So I'm going to take this out of order, and I'm just going to, do it whichever way that I want. So I'm going to do, let's see, 2 plus 3, I'll do that first. So I have 10 minus 5 plus 7 minus 4. I'm going to do 5 plus 7 next. 10 minus 12 minus 4. And then I'll go ahead and say 12 minus 4 and 10 minus 8. And then finally 10 minus 8 is 2. As you see, if I just kind of went willy-nilly and wanted to do my own thing, I wouldn't get my expected value. I'm looking for a 14, and I ended up getting a 2. Now, if you follow order of operation, you will be guaranteed to get the same answer as anybody else does. That's why we have those rules. So let's try another example. I'm just going ahead and clear my board here. In this example, 8 times 4 divided by 2 times 6 divided by 3, the operations I have are multiplication and division. Both multiplication are on the same level, so we're going to do them from left to right. 8 times 4 is 32. Now divided by 2 times 6 divided by 3. Next, I'm going to do 32 times 2, which is 16 times 6 divided by 3. Next, I'm going to say 16 times 6, and off the top of my head, I'm just going to do this off to the side, just make sure I get it right. 96 divided by 3, and then 96 divided by 3 is going to be 32. My expected outcome is 32. But if I chose to do it in any other order, I'm not guaranteed that I will get the same answer. So let's say I decide to do this 2 times 6 first. Let's say that's going to be 8 times 4 divided by 2 times 6 is divided by 12 divided by 3. And then, I don't know, let's do the 12 divided by 3. Well, that's 4. 8 times 4 divided by 4. And 4 divided by 4 is just 1, so now I have 8 times 1 equals 8. And as you see, that is not the expected outcome. So following the order of operation is very, very important. Alrighty, a little bit harder problem. We have the quantity 3 plus 2 times the quantity 7 minus 1 minus 2 squared. So what mathematical operations do we have in this problem? Well, we have addition, multiplication, subtraction, and then we also have exponents, and we also have some parentheses laid out. So I have addition, multiplication, subtraction, some more subtraction, some exponents, and I do have a couple sets of parentheses. Because I have parentheses, remember that the order of operations is P, E, M, D from left to right, A, S from left to right. So I have to do all my P first. So 3 plus 2 is going to be 5. That's my parentheses. I have another set of parentheses here. 7 minus 1 is 6, and I write down the rest of the problem. My next, and that happened to take care of the addition as well as one of the subtractions. I have the exponent next. So 2 squared is 2 times 2, which is 4. 5 times 6 minus 4. Done with exponents. Next, I have the choice of multiplication or subtraction. Multiplication comes first before subtraction, so I have to do that first. So 5 times 6 is 30 minus 4. And finally, we get to do our subtraction. 30 minus 4 is 26. And trust me, if we did this out of order, we would not get our expected outcome of 26. All right, for our last example, this one is pretty complex, but let's take it step by step by step. All right, so following order of operation, I do all the parentheses first, but it just so happens this first parentheses has a parentheses on the inside of it. So I must do the most internal parenthesis first. So this becomes 10 minus 3 times 2 is 6. And I'm going to rewrite the rest of the problem. Do it step by step so I don't lose my place. I still have parentheses, so I'm going to work with my parentheses from left to right. So 10 minus 6 is 4 plus 12 divided by 4 plus 6 squared. Next, I'm still working with parentheses. I have another set of parentheses. So I have 4 plus 12 divided by 4 is 3 plus 6 squared. All right, looks like I am done with all my parentheses. Next, I have a choice of addition, or exponent. So exponents always come before multiplication or addition. So I have to do the exponent first. 4 plus 3 plus 6 times 6 is 36. Now the only thing that I have left is addition from left to right. 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 36, and 7 plus 36 finally is 43. That's it. I mean, order of operations is extremely important in math and as well as in Excel. Excel follows the order of operation, and if you're looking for a particular outcome, you want to definitely make sure you're following the mathematical order of operations. That's it for this video. Until next time, be seeing you.